Somebody might have sent you mail today.
Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to Camp Barnabas this week. I hope you had a great time. I know for some of you this was the first Camp Barnabas experience you've ever had. Others of you, first camp experience that you've ever had. And remember guys, I gave you $1, all right? So I hope it was a great week for you as well. But as you leave this week, I hope there's several things that you'll keep in mind. Number one is that as you go home, you can serve the Lord in your local church. I hope that you play your instruments. I hope that you experiment in learning how to give the gospel. I trust that as you teach or as you serve in different capacities, that you'll do it to the honor and the glory of the Lord, and you'll be a great help in your local church. Number two, I hope that you've gotten a taste of what full-time vocational ministry is like. To be quite honest, I can't imagine my life apart from the ministry. That was a calling that God placed in my life during my teenage years. And I trust that some of you have heard that calling, and for some of you, maybe you're struggling with it. But I hope that you'll make the right decision and that you'll yield to the Lord when it comes to ministry. And then number three, we need a godly younger generation serving the Lord in our churches, in our society, and you're a part of that generation. So I want to thank you for being a part of Camp Barnabas. I hope if you can come back next year, we would love to have you. And for those of you that are graduating or maybe even out of high school, I hope you'd consider Ambassador Baptist College. But whatever the case, just know this: I want God's will for your life, and I thank the Lord for all that He's done this week.